Top 6. Best PVC Pipe Cutters. If you're looking for the best PVC pipe cutters, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best Overall. Arage PVC Pipe Cutter. Number 2. Premium Choice. Jones Stevens S49005 Pipe Saw. Number 3. Best Budget. Klein Tools 50506 and Flexible Pipe Capacity PVC Cutter.
If you're working with PVC pipe, you'll need to cut it. The Klein Tools PVC cutter gives a clean, burr-free edge, which is essential when you're gluing pipe together. Now this tool cuts up to 3/4 inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe or 1 3/8 outside diameter flexible pipe. It has a reversible blade, which basically doubles the life of the tool. It also has a loop at the end of the handle, which helps keep the tool closed when not in use. Here's how to use it. Simply place the pipe between the jaw and the cutting blade and squeeze the handle. Now that's one clean, burr-free edge.
Number 4. Best Angled PVC Pipe Cutter. Libreton PVC Cutter. Number 5. Best Durable PVC Pipe Cutters. Donabox 2.5 inch Pipe Cutters. Number 6. Double pipe cutter. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.